Now in this video I'm going to show you how to create a toast inside Next.js. So there are many libraries you can achieve this. Let's show you. First we have React Toast. You can use React Toast to create toast elements. It is so easy and it is so good, and it has many weekly dollars. You can use this. The second choice is you can use Flowbyte toast element. You can see you can create your own toast element using this code, and you can copy paste this code as a component, and you can use this component inside your Next.js app. But my favorite is this library, this Sooner library. It is easier to use, and it is effective, so cool. So let's show you this. I will not use Flowbyte and Toastify. For now I'll use Sooner. This library is so light and so cool to use, and it is also easy to use. So first we need to install this, and let's come here and let's paste this, and it will install the package. And after this we need to share this toaster element inside our layout so that it will be shared across all the components. So we will go to the layout and we'll share the element. First let's install this. Now you can see it has successfully installed that. Now if I go to layout, and I can share the element inside this layout element, and let's create toaster from Sooner. You can see, and now this component will be shared all across the application. You can see from this. Now if I go to client, let's create our toast element. If I go to client element, let's delete this first, and let's create a button. I think it is like this. Yeah, let's create a button, and let's create give me a toast, and let's create on click. Let's create a function which will be toast. I think it is like this. My first toast. We need to import this toast element. I don't know why it's not coming, but let's import it manually. Import toast from Sooner. Now it will work fine. You can see now if I go to client component, let's go here, let's come here. Now if I click this, you can see it will give me my first toast. You can see the effect also, it is also cool. You can see when I hover it, it will give me this effect. If I click this, you can see it will give me this cool hover effect. You can also modify some elements inside the toast element. Let's go to here, and inside this toast element I can change some elements. First, if I want to make this expand, let's show you. If I click this, you can see it will be overwrite one another. But if I create expand and save this and come here, now if I click give me toast, you can see it will be expanded toasts. The next is if I want rich color, I can specify rich colors, and if I create this, it will not give me. But if I come here in the client and let's create dot success and save it, let's come here. If you can see it will give me rich color. If I say error, and save it, and you can see it will give me an error message. You can see that, and also we can also change the position of the toast. In my case it is bottom left, I think, bottom right, I think, but we can change the position also. Position, let's say top right, and save it, and come here. Now if I give me toast, you can see it will give me this toast element above the top right. Let's say top left, you can also add top left and save it and give me toast. You can see it will give us these toast elements. For now, let's give it top right and save it, and you can see it will give us these top right toast elements. So this is how you use the toast element inside Next.js. Let's go to the next section.